Page number 104, I want to repeat. Page number 104, question number 2. It is given, Sani sold the goods of rupees 52,000 to Vishnu Bhai on 16/6/16, against which Vishnu Bhai accepted a 3 months bill of rupees 52,000. On 20/6/16, on 2/7/16, the Sani discounted his bill with the bank at a discount of rupees 520. The amount is given discount amount. Vishnu Bhai paid the bill on the maturity date, passed the necessary journal entry in the books of both the parties. Who is the sellers? Who is the buyers? Sani is the sellers. Amount of the bill is 52,000. Date of transaction is 16/6/16. Again, which Vishnu Bhai accepted the 3 months bill of rupees 52,000 on 20/6/16. 20/6/16 ए बिल एक्सेप्ट हुआ. ओके, बाद में 2/7/16, दिस इज हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 3 months. On 2/7/16, the bill was discounted with the bank. So one is Sani's book, another is Vishnu Bhai's book. So in the books of Sani, seller. In the books of Vishnu Bhai, SHNU, Vishnu Bhai, that is purchaser. Date of transactions, it is 16/6/16. 16/6/16. Here it is 16/6/16. What he will write? Sani will write Vishnu Bhai account debit. Vishnu Bhai account debit to sales. How much? The amount is 52,000. And he will write purchase account debit to Sani, 52,000. Next, when the bill was accepted, the against which the Vishnu Bhai accepted a 3 months bill, 3 months of bill of rupees 52,000 on 20/6/16, he received the bill. Bills receivable account debit to Vishnu Bhai. And he will write on 20/6/16, he will write Sani account debit to bills payable account. How much? 52,000. Now maturity date. We will calculate the maturity date here. 20/6/16 से 3 month, is not it? So 3 month 3 days. It comes 23rd of September of 16. That is maturity date. And discounted date कब है? 2/7/16 बिल डिस्काउंट किया. तो 2/7/16, the Sani will write bank account debit, discount account debit, to bills receivable, which is coming 52,000. And discount amount it is given 520. So 520 you have to minus, so you will get 480 and 51,000. 51,480. This is bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. And on 2716 here no transactions will come. 2716 सेलर्स का बुक में ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ और ये बायर्स का बुक में ट्रांजैक्शन होगा कब 23/9/16. He will write that bills payable account debit to cash or bank account. How much? So two types of bills I made it. One, you understand which one I said? That is the bill he kept with him, and another one, the bill which he discounted. Next two more bills I will teach you. That is in case of an endorsement and in case of a bill sent for collections. You follow at the same time illustration as well as the exercise together. First you learn from the illustration. After learning, then you follow the exercise. Hope you are understanding. Even though I am telling you, at any place if you do not understand, you can tell me. I will clear your doubt. The bills of exchange chapter is going on. And last video I taught you the two exercise questions, that is page number 104 and 105. One of question number 4.1 and another is question number 4.2, where you might have seen the first it was the seller kept the bill till the maturity date, and second one the seller discounted the bill with the bank. Now the same page number 104 we will get the question number 3, page number 104, page number 104, question number 3. This is page number 104 or question number 2, and this is the last one. It was the page number 103. Correct. Here you read the. I am reading the question first. You follow it. Palak sold the goods of rupees 48,000 on credit to Anas on 15/5/16. On the same day, Palak drew a bill on Anas for 60 days, which Anas accepted. On 25/5/16, Palak endorsed this bill in favor on a creditor of Jinal. The amount of the bill was paid on the date of maturity. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of Palak and Anas. So one is the Palak is the seller, Anas is the buyers. 48,000 is the amount of the bill, and it was credit transactions on 15/5, मतलब 15th May डेट ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन हुआ, सेम डेट पे बिल आ गया और बिल का ड्यूरेशन इज 60 days. विल शो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द मैच्योरिटी डेट, एंड 25/5/2016 द बिल वाज एंडोर्स्ड टू द इन फेवर ऑफ Jinal. So we'll write in the books of Palak is the seller and Anas, ANAS, is the purchaser. Date of transactions, which date it is happening? On 15/5/2016. So we will write here 15/5/2016. Here also we will write 15/5/2016. And he will write, seller will write the, whose name is Anas, ANAS, Anas account debit to sales. How much? 48,000. And he will write the purchase account debit to Palak account. How much? 48,000. Now on the same day मतलब 15/5 16 bills receivable account debit to earners account. बिल रिसीव किया and here it will write 15/5/16 that Palak account debit to bills payable account. How much? 48,000. Now maturity date. Maturity date how to calculate? 15/5/16 से कितना दिन बाकी है? 60 डेज. 60 डेज. अभी मई मंथ में इफ यू ऐड 16 डेज देन द मे मंथ विल बी ओवर. 16 डेज हो जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा 31st ऑफ May. To understand, in the May month maximum we can give you 16 days. So May is over. So now June. June month is the 60 days. January, February, March, April, May, June. June is the 60 days. So 60 days is June. मतलब full June we can add 1 month. That is 60 days. So it is coming till 30th June. So here you see for the month of May we can add 16 days. Month of June we can add 30 days. Okay. So 30 and 60 it become how much? 46. Now 60 days से कितना बाकी है? 60 days से 46 days it is gone. तो 6 या 4 10 तक 1 5 या 6 14 डेज. मतलब जुलाई मंथ में आपको 14 डेज ऐड करो तो 60 डेज हो जाएगा. तो जुलाई 14 प्लस 3 डेज एक्स्ट्रा दैट मीन्स जुलाई 17. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड नॉट? वन सेकेंड यू फॉलो. इट इज़ नॉट गिवन द मंथ, इट इज़ गिवन डेज. तो डेट ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शंस और द डेट ऑफ बिल्स इट इज़ 15th May. 15th May से पूरा मे मंथ कंप्लीट करने के लिए 16 डेज आपको चाहिए. एज द मे मंथ इज 31 डेज. सो मे मंथ का 16 डेज, जून का 30 डेज और जुलाई का 14 डेज ऐड करूँ तो 60 डेज मेरा कवर होगा. तो जुलाई 14 में 60 डेज कंप्लीट होता है प्लस 3 दिन एक्स्ट्रा मतलब जुलाई 17. So maturity date is coming 17/7 and 17/7/2016. This is maturity date. But the bill it has been given to somebody else on the 2nd of ना कब है? 25/5. 25/5 को जिनल को दिया. 25/5 को the bill has been given to Jinal. So you write Jinal account debit to bills receivable account. और ए डेट पे इसका बुक में कोई ट्रांजैक्शंस नहीं होगा और 17/7 में इसका मैच्योरिटी डेट हो जाएगा. दैट टाइम ही विल राइट बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक और कैश. सो इसका बुक में 25/5/16 में नो एंट्री और इसका बुक में 17/7/16 में नो एंट्री. क्लियर? सो लेट यू फॉलो वन मोर क्वेश्चन. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट वन that is page number 104 of 4. This is bill sent for collection. Here Sajid drew a bill of rupees 28,000 for 2 months. Sajid is the seller. 2 month to Amir. On 14/6/16, Amir accepted and returned the bill, and 6/8/16, Sajid sent the bill to the bank for collection. The bill was paid on the maturity date by the Amir. The bank debited rupees 120 and the Sajid account as commission. That you understand? Sajid is the seller, 28,000 is the bill amount, 2 months is the credit period, durations, and the bill it was written on 14/6/16. Amir accepted and returned this bill. On 6/8/16, Sajid had given this bill to the bank for collections. Now let you know first one in the books of Sajid. Is the seller, and Sajid, and who is the another one? Amir, AMIR, purchaser. So when date of transactions is there, 14/6/16. 14/6/16. He is writing date of transaction is not given. Bills, receivable account, debit to, bill receivable account debit to, Amir. Amir account. How much? 28,000. Is not it? Here also 28,000. And the same day, 14/6/16, that Sajid account debit to bills payable account. How much? 20,000. Next, on 6/8/16, on 6/8/16, this Sajid has given this bill to the bank for collections. Bill for collection through bank account debit, bill for collection through bank account debit to bills, BLE, रिसीवेबल अकाउंट. बिल को भेज दिया कलेक्शन के लिए. करेक्ट. और इस बुक में ए डेट पे 6/8/16 में यहाँ नो एंट्री आएगा. यहाँ कोई एंट्री नहीं होगा. करेक्ट. 6/8/16 में कोई एंट्री नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट डेट, मैच्योरिटी डेट. मैच्योरिटी डेट हाउ टू कैलकुलेट, बिकॉज इट इज गिवन कितना मंथ, 2 मंथ. 2 मंथ. 14/6/16 से 2 मंथ. सो 14/6/16 से 2 मंथ प्लस 3 डेज, तो 17/8/16. 17/8/16 का मैच्योरिटी डेट आएगा. 17/8/16 में 17/8/16 that he received the money, that is bank account debit or bank commission account debit. Bank commission it is given in your book 120. तो 120 माइनस हो जाएगा तो 27,880 आई थिंक सो. 27,880 to bills for collection through bank account, that is 28,000. और इसका बुक में 17/8/16 में, इसका बुक में दिस इज नो एंट्री एंड बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक. 17, 8, 16, how it is coming to your understanding. So 6, 6, 16, that transaction is here, but it will not be here. Okay, this is the two transactions are coming. This is the fourth type of bill what I taught you. Hope you are understanding. Next I will teach you designer of the bill, how bill is designer. Okay, bye, all the best.